So today we had some bad news as far as the economy goes. The weekly job numbers, there's more claims than expected, and that had an effect on the market today. And there's other stocks that came that had some earnings yesterday, like Uber and a few others that didn't do so well and kind of dampened the tech market. And so really what was hanging on today is the job market. And it is not sad, or I mean it's kind of, they're hyping up that this whole economy is coming back and everything like that, and but they don't really see what's going on, what everybody else is going through that has been laid off. And as far as the tech market, Tesla laid a bunch of people off as well, and there's other areas of the economy that that people are really taking a hit on, as far as the prices. And I mean, if you don't have a job on top of that, and then these high prices that you're paying at the grocery store, at the pump, or anything like that, really takes an effect on the economy and just people in general. So the weekly jobs claims report jumped to, looks like almost 231,000. It's the highest since August. And so these jobless numbers, that are these layoffs that are coming in from all the different tech companies, white collar jobs that a lot of people have been laid off from, are starting to finally affect the stock market and just the whole general scope of things. So of course, like you think like the unemployment is at 3% or anything like that, it's kind of BS, and it's really way worse than that, because these people go on unemployment and then it lasts for a little bit, and then they're off the rolls. So that's what happened today that affected the market. These unemployment claims and just these high interest rates that are continue to affect the economy. That's supposedly there's going to be a rate drop around September, but it really hasn't hit anything. I mean, the housing is still hasn't affected that, or it's still record as far as the housing prices. So nobody can buy a house. A lot of people are getting laid off from these tech jobs, and it's just, that's hurting everybody. As far as there's white collar layoffs, but looks like there's a blue collar shortage. So, but that's all up to you. I mean, if you've worked in the tech industry or anything like that, and do you really want to switch over to a blue collar job, roofing or anything like that? And it's a big difference. Plus, you would have to have like 2 blue collar jobs to equal 1 white collar job in a sense. But that's what happened today. It's kind of finally showing all these layoffs and how they're finally affecting Wall Street. But it was only a temporary blip. It looks like the market's coming back today. It was only a minor. So right now I'm just still dollar cost averaging into the companies that I've really like. And I'm still, the bad news on Uber really didn't faze me. I still think that's a long term, just buy and hold. It's super cheap at these levels still. And Nvidia, Kava, Meta, Amazon, Uber, Apple, Tesla. Those are just some that I have in dollar cost averaging into them. Yeah, but that's the news, the story of today. Was the highest jobs claims since August of 2023 last year, and then continuing to see claims come in, which run a week behind. So they increased 1.78 million, up from 1,700 previous week. So yeah, there's been a lot of people are out of work that you don't realize it, that they are out of work, and it's the white collar workers that are the ones that are out of work. But this is just a video on that, the job claims today and how that's affecting the market. And really, it was only temporary blip and really didn't do much. And yeah, instead of DCAing, it may be better just to start day trading these things and even putting margin into focus or anything like that. But yeah, it's just an update on the jobs claims. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys on the next one. Peace.